Hi, my name is Shanti Kumar V with 3 decades of global IT experience, worked in 6 countries through services companies. You can search in Google for my 3 decades of profile. I coach and build Cloud and DevOps architects as multi-skilled professionals for the global IT jobs. I consider 10 plus years of the working professionals who is keen in getting into these Cloud and DevOps architecture implementation delivery roles. For my details, go to my LinkedIn profile and connect me there with the name Shanti Kumar V. I have the following questions for you. 1. Do you feel you need to upgrade into Cloud and DevOps roles? 2. Are you not able to catch up the speed of your project's delivery schedules? 3. Do you feel lack of domain knowledge in understanding the cloud conversion planning and design? 4. Do you have your IT second innings plan into these roles? 5. Are you looking for a global hire CTC with these competent roles? Then we can connect and schedule a call to discuss on your needs, commitments and plans in rebuilding your IT career. You can also visit my YouTube channel on the same name. And visit my blog site https://skumar.blog. Thanks for hearing this message and following.